In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Gestures. Now select one-handed mode and click on gray switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. Quick disclaimer, if you are not using gesture navigation, this option won't be available to you. I will show you how to use one-handed mode either way in a few seconds. If you are using gestures though, make sure this switcher is blue. Tap on Pull Screen into Reach and follow those instructions. Pull down the top half of your screen so it's easier to reach, like on this image. So when I swipe down from the bottom of my screen, I can see that one-handed mode was enabled and it's working properly. Now, to go back to standard size one, you need to wait a few seconds without doing anything. You can click on this area at the top, or you can swipe up. To disable it, tap on blue switcher until it's gray. Now I will switch to 3 keys. Go back to one-handed mode, and as you can see, this option is not accessible now. But you can always scroll and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut to activate it. Tap on Got It in the pop-up and use this button to enable or disable one-handed mode wherever you want to. Most people miss that you can also hit one-handed mode shortcut on the left and then pick one of those options instead, like Quick Settings or volume keys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!